Hey guys, it's Gloomy Fawn. I'm here with a flip of this Lovebird journal that I recently finished. This journal is super cute and small. I just love how it looks. It's made out of file folders. Let me give you a little flip through of this. The back. There's a lot of stitching and sewing on it. The clasp is just a little clip here. On the front cover and back cover there is a little file folder that does come out. And it does have paper in them to write in. I thought that was a cute idea. So the cover has little birds on it and roses. This has some antique little string here for embroidery and some glitter. And I thought that made it look really good. So when you open it up, it looks like this. I love this right here. It's just so cute. Let me show. There you go. I just love the layered grungy look. Here's a little charm here of a moon. And a little butterfly, some just random bits and pieces. Lots of sewing in this journal. Just little tags and things. Flip through it really quick. Made little cute little coin bags here. Part of an envelope with a large tag in it. Coffee filter. These pages here are inked and coffee dyed. Some stamping, pockets. This is I think it's sewing a dress instructions. Book page, dictionary book page, vintage book page, stenciling, another book page. This has a cute tag right here. Another little collage here. This trim, I hand crocheted this. It was so much fun. I started to crochet not that long ago, maybe middle of last year, and so it's been a few months and I just been crocheting all kinds of things now. I love this pocket. It's really cute. Cut out from an Edith Holden book. Just a tag, and this is really cool. I think this is made out of bamboo. Feels really interesting. Piece of paper. And the rest is pretty much the same. Lots of writing space, lots of fun things to look at. Stamping, Tomoe River paper. Everything is inked or copy stained. Lots of stitching. Coffee filter, another little book here. A little stitched tag I made to match this book. Has a lot of butterflies in this journal. I pulled in second signature. This book has, I think, 82 pages. Another little tag I made with some collage scraps. wanted this book to be funky. It's kind of my thing. I just like a lot of stuff packed. It's a very packed little journal. A lot of random stitching and pages. Coffee filter pocket. This is a flip of the tag. Another collage. That's pretty much it for this journal. Another little coin thing, and the other side of the little bag. And that's the end. And the end has another little folder that comes out. You can write in it. And the end here has a vintage little clothespin that I just have chilling there. There's also a little feather charm. If you can see that. I'm sorry my lighting sucks. It's been raining all day. There's a storm coming. And a vintage key. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little flip through, and hope to see you guys in my next video. See you guys later. Bye!